Hello everyone, I am Dr. Kamaraju from NTR Educational Institutions and Excel Civils Academy. Today I would like to discuss COVID-19 and 360 degrees view in the line of UPSC examination, especially with regards to civils examination. Right, now we have to look at COVID-19 and 360 degrees view. We know that COVID-19 or coronavirus crisis, which is shaking entire world and the human beings in all aspects, not just health. It affects economy, political system, social aspects, environment, and many things. We know that all are affected severely by this COVID-19 crisis. But it is also, meantime, it is also important for our UPSC examination. Why? Because UPSC has a strong, a unique history about uncertainty. It can also ask certain questions with regards to COVID-19 in some corner area. That is why I have made this presentation for the UPSC examination. Alright, so what are those important points for our examination? So now I would like to explain one by one point. The first one, what is coronavirus and COVID-19? In this area, what we have to look. First, we know that nature of coronavirus. Nature, that means microbiology. Microbiology of corona. It means that whether it is RNA virus or DNA virus, we have to know these points. And at the same time, after that, we have to look on how that name corona, that name comes. That name comes. Corona. These are the important points we have to look. Next to it, within this area, we have to know that other viruses and characteristics of viruses. What are those other important viruses? Just in recent past, some of the important viruses, they are Nipah, Zika, Ebola, and fast experienced viruses like HIV, Japanese encephalitis, dengue, etc. These are very much important with regards to our examination because they shake not only that world people and also most importantly affected Indian context. That is why we need to look on these viruses. Right. Next to it, we need to look on microbes. We know that viruses are one kind of microbes, but along with these viruses, we need to look that on bacteria, fungi, protozoan infections, and infestations. These are also important to know at this moment because in comparative sense, UPSC can ask certain questions. That is why we need to look on these microbes. And at the same time, you have to know that differences between these microbes. Okay? And along with that, some of the important microbial diseases, such as, especially in the context of India, we need to know that. Those examples are TB, malaria, Kala Hazar, dengue, etc. We have to learn these diseases, right? After that, In the third area, after coronavirus nature, microbes, now we have to look on the nature of the infection of coronavirus. Nature of the infection of coronavirus or COVID-19. What is that nature? Here, infection nature. Now we have to know that signs and symptoms of coronavirus infection. And the next, spread of the infection, whether it is droplet spreading or vector spreading or waterborne, something we have to know that. And third one, diagnostic approaches. And fourth, within that, treatment. Whether it has treatment or not, and if it has treatment, what kind of treatment. These points we have to know for our examination. This is third area. Next, after this, we need to know that immunization. Why immunization important with regards to COVID-19? Because we know that as of now, coronavirus doesn't have any vaccine or specific drug. That is why we have to know that what is immunization at this moment. Within that, some of the important words which are very much important because those are frequently seen in newspapers, such as herd immunity, humoral immunity, active and passive immunization, acquired immunity, and natural immunity. These words we must know for this examination because these have high possibility of questions. Next to that, drugs. Are there any important specific drugs for coronavirus treatment? Drugs. But here we don't have any specific drugs, but some of the drugs which are frequently seen in news are hydroxychloroquine. Next one is Remdesivir. These two, we have to know some details about these two drugs because these are frequently seen in news with regards to corona treatment. Next, another important area with regards to our examination is government or WHO measures to counter COVID-19. What are those? Whatever that important steps or measures taken by the government or WHO, we have to focus on those areas. Say for example, Arogya Setu app, Shield program, Shield scheme by Delhi government, WHO alerts and guidelines to prevent coronavirus, etc. These kind of important points or aspects we need to learn for our examination. Next to it, another important area after government or WHO measures, preventive measures. We look on preventive measures. what kind of measures we have to take to prevent this infection. We have to know all those measures, whether they are related to nutrition. In this case, we have to clearly know that Ayush guidelines. And second one, personal hygiene related measures. These two are important with regards to preventive measures. Next, another important area is necessary requirements for coronavirus treatment, such as necessary requirements such as hospital strength, that means specialized hospitals for COVID-19, PPEs kits. What is PPE? Personal protection equipment. And know that N95 and surgical masks. We have to know that differences between these two, and other important points with regard sanitizers. Within that, we have to know that what are the contents used in sanitizer making. These are the important points we need to look with in the area of necessary requirements for coronavirus. Right. Next, another important area, quality related questions. Quality related. Within that, we know that health is fundamental, right or not? FR or not? So we have to study under the article of 21. Under article 21, whether it comes or not, we have to know that. Next to it, health and sanitation, whether it comes under which subject, state, center or concurrent. Next, third point is interstate spread of contagious diseases, contagious or infectious disease, whether it come under which subject, once again state, center or concurrent. Next to it, we have to know that important articles in DPSPs. These are the important points with regards to quality area. Next to it, we focus on disaster management. Disaster management. Disaster management is another area which is important in COVID-19 crisis. Here also we know that whether pandemic comes under the definition of disaster or not. Second one, guidelines under Disaster Management Act. And third, which ministry is responsible for this disaster? Responsibility of ministers. Responsibility of specific ministers. Ministry. These are the important points we have to know in disaster management area. Next important area is environment. In environment, we need to know that advantages to the environment and disadvantages. These two areas we need to focus with regards to coronavirus and lockdown situation. Right. Next, another focused area is economy, which is more important in the period of COVID-19 crisis because entire world has been under lockdown. So the economy of each and every country is severely struggling or dismantled. That is why we need to focus on economy area. Here, the major areas are, one is GDP related issues, whether GDP losses, possible expectations by various organizations. Next, impact on various sectors, that is agri, industry and services. Within that also, specifically we have to focus on MSMEs and construction sector. MSMEs, construction and entertainment sector. These are most affected. Entertainment sector. These are most affected due to COVID-19. And after that, within that economy, we need to focus on most important area, that is employment and unemployment crisis. There is possibility of increasing unemployment rates and job losses. So we need to focus employment and unemployment crisis. Next to it, within that, issue of migrants, which is more important as of now. So focus on migrants issue. Next to that, is there any other impact related to economy? We need to focus all these important areas in the area of economy, in the line of UPSC examination. Next to economy, we need to go social aspects, impact on social system. Here we have to know that family relations, harmony in family members, domestic violence cases, possibility of divorce cases, and some of the social unrest. Is there any possibility? We need to focus on these areas with regards to UPSC examination. This is another area. And next to it, we need to focus that some of the miscellaneous areas, such as, these are most related to developments, such as webinars, that is Zoom app, Google meetings, etc. And next, online classes in educational system, online classes. After that, changes in digital mode entertainment. Use of artificial intelligence or robotics. These are the important areas we need to focus with regards to UPSC examination. These are all, whatever that we have discussed in this session, these are all important for UPSC examinations. This is the complete 360 degrees view for UPSC examination with regards to COVID-19. They are either directly or indirectly related to this coronavirus crisis. Thank you and all the best.